think of networking as 3 phases. It goes from having a connection to a conversation to a collaboration. And if you are going to build trust with your team, with your colleagues, with your co-workers, you need to be skilled at the connection part, at the conversation part, because that leads to collaboration. And collaboration is the cornerstone of trust. And we know that trust is so essential for a productive team. So if you have a virtual meeting and people get there a few minutes early, start chatting. Say, I was at a seminar recently and people asked me how I got my name. I'm curious, how did you get your name? Ask people what their first car was, or ask people how they're using AI. But I want you all to have a plethora of conversation starters, things that you can talk to people about effortlessly in a way that feels organic and authentic. For more information on my keynotes and workshops and the book, please go onto my website, nadiaspeaks.com.